Presentation and Speech Work 9.1 Unit 1.
Speak right!
In this class, we'll be learning much about the sounds of English and how they work. We'll also consider word stress, intonation, rhythm, and how to listen and speak. Did you know the English language has 44 sounds? You may be used to letters of the English alphabet used for writing and spelling. The 44 sounds are used for reading and speaking. When we read and speak, we turn the letters into sounds. Some of the letters, especially the vowels, have more than one sound to a letter. For example, the letter A can spell different sounds. A in apple says A. A in away says A in watch says A in wash says O. As we'll learn, there are other letters that also have more than one sound. In this class, we'll also be listening to passages and talking about what we can learn from what we read, and then you will have the opportunity to talk about the things you're learning. I'll be guiding you through the lessons. I look forward to having lots of fun with you as we learn to speak right. I am your speech coach, Chris Nkwocha. Own it, use it.
Speak the English the world understands.